Today we're diving into the world of construction, a world I know a thing or two about. We're talking about groundbreaking technologies that are revolutionizing the way we design, build, and think about the very structures we inhabit. So buckle up, grab your hard hat, figuratively of course, and get ready to explore 7 of these game-changing technologies that are shaping the future of building and construction. Now, you might think of 3D printing as something you use to make little plastic trinkets, but think bigger, a lot bigger. We're talking about entire houses, folks, being printed out layer by layer like a giant, incredibly intricate cake. Imagine a giant robotic arm extruding concrete instead of ink, carefully laying down the foundation, the walls, even the roof of a house. This technology has the potential to revolutionize affordable housing, disaster relief, and even the construction of structures in extreme environments like, say, the moon. It's faster, more efficient, and generates less waste than traditional building methods. Plus, it allows for incredible design flexibility. One of the most exciting things about 3D printing in construction is its potential to address the global housing crisis. Imagine being able to print affordable, sustainable homes on demand, providing shelter to those who need it most. So while 3D printing might change the face of construction as we know it, it's not replacing the human element. It's simply giving us new tools to build a better, more sustainable future for everyone. Now let's talk about modular construction, another game changer in the world of building. Imagine a giant Lego set, but instead of plastic bricks, you're piecing together entire rooms or even whole buildings that have been prefabricated off-site. That's modular construction in a nutshell. Think of it like this. Instead of building a house brick by brick on a construction site, you're building it in a controlled factory environment. Rooms complete with walls, floors, plumbing, and electrical are built in sections called modules. These modules are then transported to the building site and assembled like giant puzzle pieces. The beauty of this approach is that it's faster, more efficient, and produces less waste than traditional construction methods. Modular construction also offers greater quality control as each module is built to precise specifications in a controlled environment. Modular construction is being used to create everything from high-rise hotels and hospitals to schools and even military barracks. So while modular construction might change the way we think about building, it's not eliminating the need for skilled labor. It's simply shifting the paradigm, creating new opportunities, and ultimately building a better future for the construction industry as a whole. Remember those clunky remote-controlled helicopters we used to play with as kids? Well, drones have come a long way, baby. These days, they're not just for hobbyists and photographers, they're becoming essential tools in the construction industry. Imagine this, instead of sending a team of surveyors to trek through mud and climb scaffolding, you send a drone up to capture high-resolution images and data of the construction site. Drones equipped with LiDAR technology can create incredibly detailed 3D maps of the terrain, identifying potential hazards and providing valuable insights for planning and design. Drones can access hard-to-reach areas, improving safety for workers and providing critical information that might otherwise be missed. Drones can also be used for inspections, monitoring progress, even delivering small materials to workers on high-rise projects. Drones provide more accurate data, faster and safer than ever before. This allows surveyors and inspectors to focus on what they do best, analyzing data, making informed decisions, and ensuring the safety and integrity of our built environment. So, while drones might be changing the landscape of construction, they're not replacing the human element. They're simply giving us a new perspective, literally, and helping us build smarter, safer, and more efficiently. Now, if you think drones are cool, wait till you hear about augmented reality, or AR for short. Forget those clunky VR headsets. Arkansas overlays digital information onto the real world right before your eyes. Imagine this. You're a construction worker walking through a building site, but instead of just seeing bare concrete and steel beams, you're seeing the finished building, complete with walls, wiring, plumbing, the works. That's the power of AR. With AR glasses or even a tablet, workers can visualize the final design superimposed on the real-world environment. They can see exactly where the pipes need to go, how the electrical wiring will run, and even identify potential clashes before they become costly problems. AR can also provide real-time information to workers in the field. Need to know the dimensions of a beam? Just point your tablet at it and voila! The information appears right before your eyes. AR is all about enhancing human capabilities, not replacing them. It's about giving workers the tools they need to work smarter, faster, and safer. So while AR might seem like something out of a futuristic movie, it's quickly becoming an indispensable tool in the construction industry. Now, when you think of robots, you might picture C3PO or R2D2, but the robots invading construction sites aren't quite as chatty, and they're certainly not offering any droids for sale. These are heavy-duty machines designed to tackle some of the toughest jobs in the industry. We're talking about robotic arms that can lay bricks with incredible precision, autonomous excavators that can move tons of earth without breaking a sweat, and even welding robots that can work tirelessly in hazardous environments. These robots are revolutionizing the construction industry, bringing increased efficiency, safety, and precision to tasks that have traditionally been labor-intensive and, let's be honest, sometimes dangerous. Imagine a world where robots handle the repetitive, physically demanding tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more specialized skills, problem-solving, and overseeing the overall project. These robots are also creating new job opportunities in fields like robotics engineering, programming, and maintenance. Robots in construction are tools just like any other tool we've incorporated over the years. They're here to assist, not replace, the human workers who are the backbone of this industry. So, while the sight of robots on a construction site might seem like a scene from a science fiction movie, it's important to remember that these machines are here to work alongside us, not against us. Now, we've all heard of smartphones and smart homes, but get ready for this: smart materials. These aren't your grandpappy's bricks and mortar, folks. These materials are embedded with technology that allows them to sense, respond, and even adapt to their environment. We're talking about self-healing concrete that can repair its own cracks, temperature-regulating windows that adjust their tint based on the amount of sunlight, and even walls that can generate solar power. Imagine a world where buildings can monitor their own structural integrity, alerting engineers to potential problems before they become major issues. Or picture a highway that can de-ice itself in winter, preventing accidents and saving lives. Smart materials also have the potential to revolutionize sustainability in construction. Imagine buildings that can generate their own energy, purify their own water, and adapt to changing climate conditions. So while the idea of smart materials might seem like something out of a futuristic movie, it's important to remember that these materials are simply tools. Tools that can help us build a better, more sustainable, and more resilient future for generations to come. Now, you know I love getting my hands dirty, but even I have to admit sometimes you need more than just elbow grease and a good pair of work boots. That's where building information modeling, or BIM for short, comes in. This isn't just some fancy computer program, folks. This is like having a digital crystal ball for your entire construction project. Imagine this: instead of relying on stacks of blueprints and endless revisions, everyone involved in a construction project, from the architects to the subcontractors, can access a single, shared three-dimensional model of the building. BIM allows architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate in real time, catching potential issues before a single shovel hits the ground. BIM also allows for cost estimation, scheduling, and even simulation of different construction scenarios. By providing them with accurate, up-to-date information, BIM allows them to work more efficiently, safely, and with greater precision. So while BIM might seem like a radical departure from the traditional way of doing things, it's really just another step forward in the evolution of construction. So there you have it, folks. 7 game-changing technologies that are revolutionizing the construction industry. From 3-dimensional printing to smart materials, from drones to augmented reality, the future of building is here, and it's more exciting than ever. These technologies aren't just about making things look cool. They're about solving real-world problems, improving safety, increasing efficiency, and creating a more sustainable future for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in construction technology. See you next time.